Hello, guys. This video will show you how to change the agency for a product. Firstly, you can change the agency in the My Products menu. Go to your DSers dashboard and switch to the My Products page. Select the Agency tab in the navigator bar. Hover on the product card of the product you desire and click the Mapping button. In the Agency ID column, modify the agency ID for each variant. Click Save. Secondly, you can change the agency in the Open Orders menu. Log into your DSers dashboard and navigate to Open Orders. Access the Agency page. Under the Awaiting Order tab, locate the order card of the product you want and click the Mapping button. In the Agency ID column, modify the agency ID for each variant. Click Save. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Happy dropshipping!